My name is Raquel Joy. I'm a beautician and I'm here to share some of my beauty tips and my techniques that I normally use for hygiene. Are you new to this channel? Have you just bumped into my channel? Run away, just stay and keep watching, because Raquel Joy is going to be sharing most of the feminine hygiene tips that you might also incorporate in your daily routine. So one thing that I'm going to be really reminding you to do is to drink a lot of water. As Raquel, one thing as a beautician, what I learned is that we need to drink a lot of water. It's gonna help you to, just have a very nice smell. Like, what I'm trying to say is that when you drink a lot of water, the digestion system is going to be like, and all your urine is going to be like. So that means that the more you keep drinking water, it's cleaning your body inside, in and out. So make sure that you are trying to drink enough water. Our body needs a lot of water to glow, to look very younger, and also it's gonna help you not to get wrinkles. Like, the more you keep drinking water, I'm insisting on drinking water. Water is very important for our body, our skins, and our nails, our hair. Everything literally is rotating around water. So drink a lot of water. We are done from water, drinking water. Please make sure you are having a signature for yourself. As Raquel, I like Victoria's Secret. Anything to do with the Victoria's Secret, I'm really trying to invest in something. I'm going to go 1,000 miles. I'll grab something for myself. Do you know that it's very nice to have a signature of yourself? Like, once you walk in a room, everybody's gonna say, Raquel is right there. She just came in. Like, make sure that something that really attracts your friends, like, not in a bad way, not smelling bad to attract, but also smelling good. I love the smell of coconut, but some other people like vanilla. What do you like? Like, some other people like fruity things, like strawberries, those kind of stuff. Please just go and grab something for yourself. Raquel loves this mist. We are trying to invest in body mist. This is part of hygiene. Oh my gosh, I really love my gosh, I really love it. I really love it. I also have these very small ones that I normally put in my small purse. I have my purse around me here. So this is what I'm going to show you what I normally move around with. These are very small ones. This one smells like, this is a vanilla real one. This is a vanilla one. So I like coconut, but I also like vanilla. It really smells good. Ladies and gentlemen, can we invest in a mouthwash? Mouthwash, you don't want to talk to somebody and they're like, backing up. You want to talk to someone and they're like coming close and they're like, how does she really smell like? It's always good to smell good. So always invest in these very small things. They might look small, but they leave a statement. Floss, definitely you have to floss. If you want to look good, make sure you're flossing. Raquel loves smelling good. Oh my gosh. These things, do you know why I have these very small bags for the ladies? It's because we have our days in a month. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, if you're a gentleman, please look this way, and ladies, look at me. Look at me. These ones, after when you've used it, please do not just litter or just throw it in the bin. Make sure you put it first in a small plastic bag, wrap it, and then put in the bin. Because normally when you go to public toilets or public places, or even if when you're at home, you're living with your boyfriend, your husband, your cousins, whoever, nobody wants to look at blood that is not coming actually from you, it's from somebody else. Okay, that's another story. It's all right. Only when those people are like doctors, it's quite different. One thing we are going to also focus about is having these cotton earpods, cotton pads. These cotton air pads, I'm confused. These are cotton pads. Get some salt and with warm water, dip it in the warm water. Clean your ears, put it away. Get another one. Dip it in warm water with salt, a little bit of salt. Do not put too much salt. Dip it. Be gentle around your ears. Clean, dump it in the bin, and that's it. One thing that I really have to recommend to you, please, do not ever use sharp ends to clean your ears, because you're most probably damaging your eardrums. You might put an infection, because these things are very sharp and they might leave a small wound that might bring some infections, some bacteria, and then it might not really end well. So avoid all those sharp stuff. Ladies, can we also invest in wet wipes? Wet wipes. You can use those wet wipes. As Raquel, I always have them in my bag, regardless of where I go. I have wet wipes, even at home. Like after using the bathroom or the toilet, I'm going to wash myself and then use the toilet paper. But if I don't do that, then I have to use these these wipes, because I love being clean. You never know what is going to happen. You never know what your boyfriend might be doing. You never know what your husband is going to be doing at any time. You want to be prepared at any time. Ladies and gentlemen, let's try to be clean. And one other thing that I really want to inspire is, like, can we really try to invest in small bags like this kind? What are they for? For small coins, this kind of small coins. I really hate going in my purse, and then I have money and all over, everywhere in my bag. It's very messy. As Raquel, I really like being organized, and I hate being messy. What I do, invested something in myself, and that's why I'm a bit more organized. This is oil for the nails. It doesn't matter, men, ladies, we all need this kind of beauty techniques. Put it around your nail, just like this, and massage your fingers, and then you're all good to go. These are small things that you might not know, but they really leave an impact. When you really ever meet a lady, she's always glowing, like, wow, she really looks good. Once we as ladies, when we excuse ourselves and we go to the bathroom, we don't only go to do different, you have to go and check and see your lips. Are your lips looking good? Are your lips on point? You have to check, are your ears good? And then you go back and present yourself. If you're working at a customer care, if you're working in a beauty section, if you're working in a restaurant, basically that's why we all need to have all these small essentials that we always have to. You don't want to show anybody that, oh my God, you just had your lunch and then the food is just between your gaps. No way. Do not show anybody what you've just done because of this kind of being lazy. Just try to take good care of yourselves. Another thing, what do I have normally as Raquel? I always have these small tins, like the gel. They help me to keep the gel. Do you see, my fingers are really, really shining, as you can really tell. They are really looking good. I always have, you see? Do you see? These small stuff, they help me to make my edges. This is something that you might need to have as a lady. You can buy them anywhere. In Germany, you can buy them by Rossmann. You can buy them in DM, like where we normally go for beauty stuff. So you can always go and grab yourself one. In US, America, Australia, Africa, I'm not really sure, but I only know where you can find all this kind of stuff in Germany. What else do I have? Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Ladies and gentlemen, can we also try to remember to use a hand cream. Hand creams are very, very important. Hand creams, they're going to leave your hands very moisturized. They are going to keep your skin not really stressed out. They're going to keep your skin very, like, you know, the skin will look very glowy and then very smooth. Like, what else can I really talk about? Like, this is inspired by Naomi Campbell. Naomi Campbell, like, I think that's how it's pronounced. My gosh. Raquel Joy also is going to recommend by nobody, not even a man, not even anybody, like everybody should have this. In Europe, it tends to be like we're having cold and hot and cold, like the weather is always changing. But then you might really find someone, the nose are running like up to here, and then you're like, okay, that means like these people are not really prepared. Always have these tissues. Get one when you feel like it's been really cold. Just go around your nose and then you're all good to go. So basically, as Raquel, this is all been my tips for today, and thank you so much for watching your girl. I'll be bringing you back more tips, and basically you can also try to invest in these baby bobby pins. Like, as ladies, you always have, like, if you have some space in your bag, have baby pins. You can decide to pin it in your, like, anywhere. It depends how you really want to look, how you want to look like. But as Raquel, I've just decided to put it right over there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I really have to appreciate. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. Thank you again for watching my video. I will be bringing you more and more tips on how we can really incorporate and try to live healthy, and we are going to really make it as long as we keep sharing. Please do not forget to leave a comment down below on my channel, such that if you need something or if you're sharing some ideas, I'm all good and I'm gonna get it anytime. Raquel Joy, your girl, says bye and see you in another coming next video. Bye guys, love you.